Deep inside the marrow's floor, a silent factory at its core. Every stem cell knows its part, building blood with patient heart. Red for oxygen on the run, white to fight when battles come. Platelets patch the smallest tear, life depends on balance here. But one stem cell changed everything. Too many reds, the blood runs slow. Too many whites, they overflow. Too many platelets, clots may grow. Our marrow scars, now blood must go. One family, different roads. Myeloproliferative Neoplasms. Myeloproliferative Neoplasms. Some make red cells strong and fast, some platelets in a blast. Others fill with white cell lines, each one leaves its different signs. One goes slowly year by year, one brings itching after shower, one sends teardrops through the blood, one floods marrow like a flood. Follow the blood, where does it lead? Polycythemia Vera, essential Thrombocytosis, primary Myelofibrosis, chronic Myeloid, Leukemia. Four diseases, one beginning, one stem cell, a different ending. Too many red cells, too many platelets, too many white cells, scarred marrow. Remember the family. Follow the blood, follow the clues. Every pattern tells the truth. Too many reds, too many whites, too many platelets, or fibrosis takes the life. One family.